everybody. Today is Monday. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to do a quick revision before we go to page 31, which is the page we are going to do today. We are going to talk about the 5 senses. Which are the 5 senses? Hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. Okay, let's go one by one. Sight and hearing. We see with our eyes, and we hear with our ears. So what do we do with our eyes? Well done, we see. What do we do with our ears? We hear. Well done. Let's go to smell and taste. Smell and taste. We smell with our nose. Well done. And we taste with our tongue. Well done. There are 3 tastes that we have studied. Sweet, which is a birthday cake, for example. Sour, which is a lemon. And salty, which are olives. Those are the 3 tastes that we have studied. And then with our skin, with our hands, we touch. With our fingers, these are the fingers. And these are the thumbs. And we touch things with our hands and finger. Which things do we touch? These are the 6 different textures that we have studied. We have studied soft, which is a cheek, hard, like a stone, smooth, like fabric, rough is, these stones is áspero, hot, like fire, and cold, like ice. I hope you can see it well. Now we are going to go to the activities in the book. Let's go, everybody, to page 31. And we are going to use this revision to do the activities. Did you like the poster? Well, now that we finished with the poster, we are going to do page 31. And we are going to revise the 5 senses as we did in the posters. And remember, I told you some sentences. You have to tell me the end, the part of the face. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, or hands or fingers. So we revise. Ears, number 1. Number 2, eyes. Number 3, nose. Number 4, hands and fingers. And number 5, tongue. Oh, I read it to you and you do it and then we correct. That's what we are going to do. I read it to you. I see with my ears, eyes, nose, hands and fingers or tongue. Write the number. I taste with my ears, eyes, nose, hands and fingers or tongue. Write the number. I smell with my ears, eyes, nose, hands and fingers or tongue. Write the number. I feel with my ears, eyes, nose, hands and fingers or tongue. Write the number. And the last one, I hear with my ears, eyes, nose, hands and fingers or tongue. Write the number. Okay. Now I correct. I see with my eyes. Number 2. I feel with my hands and fingers. Number 4. I taste with my tongue. Number 5. I hear with my ears. Number 1. And I smell with my nose. Number 3. Did you have it right? Did you do it right? Fantastic. Well, if you had any mistake, you erase and you write with your pencil. Let's go to activity 4, which is a listening. Now we are doing it together and I'm going to stop so that we can also match. So we are doing 2 things. We write the number and we match. Let's go.
Listen and number. Listen again and match the words to the pictures. 1. A pineapple is sour and rough.
A pineapple, number 1, is sour. What is sour? Ácido, like lemon. Sour. And rough. Why? Because if you touch it, it's not smooth, it's rough. Okay? Let's go to number 2.
2. A biscuit is sweet and hard.
2. A biscuit. This is a biscuit. A biscuit is sweet, so we match with sweet, and hard. Hard because it's, well, I would say it's fragile because it breaks easily, but it's hard because está dura. Let's go to number 3.
3. Ice cream is sweet and cold.
Ice cream, number 3, is sweet and cold. It's very cold because it's ice. Let's go to number 4.
4. Crisps are salty and rough.
Crisps are salty. Crisps are number 4. They are salty because they have salt in them, and they are rough because if you touch them, they are like this. They are not smooth. They are rough. Let's go to number 5.
5. Olives are salty and smooth.
Olives are salty, which is number 5. So we write number 5. Salty. And smooth. What is smooth? That if you touch them, they are like this. They are smooth.
6. Lemon tea is sour and hot. Listen.
Lemon tea is sour. Sour, what is sour? Amargo. And hot. Sour, we put number 6 here. Lemon tea is sour and is hot. Okay? Well, that's it. Let's go to activity number 5. This is super easy. I'm going to tell you the sentences and you are going to write the numbers. Let's revise first. Happy, you know from English, happy. Afraid, angry and sad. Okay, let's go. Write the number and then we correct. Jill is happy. Number? Come on, write the number. John is afraid. Write the number. Tina is angry. Write the number. And Peter is sad. So I correct. Jill is happy, number 2. John is afraid, number 3. Tina is angry, number 1. And Peter is sad, number 4. Okay? And this is the end of our session for today, for Monday.